Hi guys, today I'll be showing you step-by-step way on how to make your Nigerian puff-puff and enjoy every bite of your puff-puff. So watch the video to the end to grab the step-by-step ways.
You don't scatter my head, kiss me again, you know say not true. I go do anything for you. Asam better one your ma. If you name me ma so go asa. Na me and you go live, asa. If I don't marry you, I go die, asa. If you name me ma so go asa. Control, asa. You asama. I go drink a gari with the petrol, asa. G asama. I go sell all my property for our wedding ceremony. Asam pete wanyoma. Your love they sweet me die, asa. Hey, now you be the one way I love, asa. Then the talk say I go leave you, but na lie, asa. Asa. If you name me ma so go asa. I beg you, make you no break in my heart, asa. Anything you want, I go buy you, asa. If my money no reach, I go borrow. Hey, asama. I don't know what I do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Asam pete wanyoma. Your love they sweet me well, asa. Hey, now you with me go leave, asa. If I don't marry you, I go die, asa. Asa. It be like say I don't crazy, asa. Your love they turn me around, asa. Asa, asa better one your man, asa, asa. Omale chama, asa, asa, asa better one your man, asa. Omale chama, asa, asa, asa better one your man, asa. Chama, asa, enene bejolo, omo masar, asa, achalugo, enene bukwe, asa, asa, asa mpete wanyoma, asa, asa, asa mpete wanyoma, asa.
So guys, we are done with our puff-puff. You can see how sweet, fluffy and soft our puff-puff is. If you are still watching the video, come and join me and enjoy this delicious puff-puff. Before you leave the video, please make sure you subscribe and wait for my other videos. Bye.